As number 2 runs with an astronomical riff from the Huygens space probe visiting Saturn's largest...
Oh, it's mirrored. Oh well.
It's the only alien sound that comes with its own music video. Look and listen. Cut 2 on number 2. It's Totally Titan.
Totally Titan.
Here we have what's called the Bells and Whistles movie from Cassini-Huygens, and it's showing the descent, and it's a great example of using sound to convey all sorts of different kinds of data.
Just as a Geiger counter announces radioactivity using audible clicks, the instruments on the Huygens lander were given their own sounds to register the measurements they were taking.
Those chimes you hear, each one of those means that an instrument was taking a picture or some other kind of data. Different instruments are different chime. We also are hearing in the background is the signal strength to the Cassini spacecraft.
I'm pretty sure you can hear it just fine.
That occurs that has to do with the spinning and rotation of the spacecraft. Every time it rotates once, they have to...
Oh, horrible.
Though it's just an assembly of pure scientific information, the video seems to preserve what must have been those last moments of high tension. When the scientists in Mission Control wondered, will the tiny spacecraft or crash?
So here we go, and almost down. And landed.
Mission accomplished. With sound 1 billion miles away.
Okay.
Totally Titan has been a thrill at number 2 on the countdown. But now we spin the platter on the mysterious number 1. A song that comes from a place totally unlike anything else in the universe we've ever encountered. While some remember the strange signals from Jupiter and Saturn, there are also sounds in this song that are completely different from anything we've met.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, Mardi Gras beads.
Amazing. Congratulations. Still in the running towards becoming America's next top model.
Too bad, isn't it?
It's got great people to pick from, great bench.
Complete.
I'm out.
Because it has something for cats. And after a couple of
There's still other kinds of
family, we're so lucky that Lucy picked up.
Really?
Purina Cat Chow Complete. And for a delicious...
We don't end up in a cinema by myself.
Actually, that was number 2.
Over and over again. I think that's...
Say, 1 week and 1 day later, you...
So we're EC360. CNN next.
We have a choice.
John.
How many worms do you catch a year?
Usually we'll come home with...
It makes people smile.
It's a fail.
It makes people... What?
And everything
It makes people smile. It's a fail.
The back end of the conversion.
The back end's a contraction.
You bid up.
17,640.
$17,640.
What?
Overbid.
Oh. Oh.
Case number 2. Marty, your show.
Ah! Yeah! Ah!
How excited I am right now.
No.
Oops. Uh-oh. Whoop.
Don't forget the bread. Colorado and Tennessee
To pee or not to pee? What the hell?
are in.
Colorado and Tennessee are in. Dun dun.
I'm denying the request.
Spot where the Burgundy woman. Organic lettuce, organic kale. Does your cauliflower have a big? 2011, it shot straight to number 1. Once again, Game was on top.
Who?
He kicked off a nationwide tour by celebrating.
Say hello to Shondaland.
Alrighty.
Towels!
Give in, he triggered.
And help stop further joint damage.
Come on, what you got? Oh, no, just put her away. You're the man, man. He did a nice job with this.
You could kind of have the best of both worlds. I just don't think that a one.
That's what I call. Today, game is found. Lots of people do. I mean, lots. They aren't me. I want classes I control, not. Yeah, we all are. Just wait. You realize, Penny, that technology that's into this arm will one day make unlimited food servers such as your
money
obsolete.
Yes! What? Ah, that's what you get for throwing money at me.
Okay.
No!
Don't feel dead.
Yeah, whatever.
It's amazing.
In a fatal crash, this time a pedestrian.
What? Screwdriver?
Yes. Peas? No, not peas. Hang on.
She's just a sweetheart. The homeless people know her. That's how much her heart is out there with these people, you know. And
Oh.
By all accounts, 76-year-old Donna Halstead was an amazing woman. Around 2:15 this afternoon, right in front of her condo building, she was hit by a met.
Only now getting to know. This is our place in the Milky Way.
For Richard's daughters, this is the last. You're not.
Happens to have a sink.
Dean's catalog, so she does actually.
and I told my father that's what I want to be.
Very obvious that these soldiers.
Dozen times. And a. And treat.
Living in the
house with her 22-year-old son's dead body. I give services for losing campaign. Ronald Reagan's losing campaign. You know, I've been looking at the numbers of those states you've identified, but a recent number has caught my attention.
He kept like this. He couldn't get the phone. The more you pull, the tighter it gets. Get off my hand! Crazy.
Final three.
Marketed and invested in a cordless phone. Well, I'm surprised he.
Let's go! And then you don't even know which.
You know, the abuse in childhood. A lot of sexual, mental, and physical abuse.
Careful! The robbers eventually get away with over $10,000 in cash. But thanks to security camera footage, the two are arrested for armed robbery.
Giant face. Is this how you use a laptop? Okay.
Crazy ass phone.
Cycle 14, I didn't even get a chance to make him stop too.
I don't think there is a source. So he made the statement. It's a very strong statement. I think that...
Chum?
Shoot, chum. Ugh. Really?
Big island.
Necklace.
What?
Remember that one kid's show with the talking lemur?
Yeah, next time don't say my name.
But remember the one kid's show with the talking lemur?
Yeah, but next time don't say my name.
I heard you, but remember the one kid's show with the talking
I
lemur?
don't even know who you are. I'm just some random stranger that lives in your house.
But seriously, and look at the title of this. Ho, Diego, ho. The fellow. What the hell?
Reject.
Reject.
You came in with my manager. If he's not
Eating my management.
Ultralift Serum Plus Moisturizer. A skincare first. Serum.
Chick-fil-Layers and Chick-Layers.
Ha ha ha.
Anybody need anything?
Ooh, 11 and a half minutes.
For the long ride. We rode.
We rode. Rode. Me either.
Italy and France.
Class and initial quality. And the Optima is the most appealing mid-size. It's helped me.
My dad, alive. I could call.
Recommended mix. It's the manliest mix.
Yeah, try to put this on the calendar for tomorrow. And come back and see if you two can get in contact.
Call this.
Probiotics.
Few months, someone has been stealing. A lot of volume and a lot of clean eye.
Leaving 8th grade and going to high school.
Restaurant called the Blue Door at the Blue Palace, and it is
going to be blue waffle. Ha!
Well, I would say that would be my response. And war begins.
Five escapes.
War begins. Number 3.
Jimmy, Dad, Jimmy.
Had a very significant.
You have to show that you're going to
Joe Conforti, a man looking to make it.
Oh, creepy face.
When Conforti arrives,
It's more efficient, that's more effective, and will actually...
and hundreds and probably even thousands.
Thief and her accomplices look for the nearest getaway car.
Yo, taxi.
Invest in your own getaway car. It'll be worth it.
With help from the cab company, police track the ticket grabber to her house and arrest her. The lucky ticket is never recovered.
I mean, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity sometimes for people to win something decent.
It's such a shame that the woman...
In order for that to be a good trade,
War lottery tickets.
Coming up, a getaway gone wrong.
Not wrong from.
seeing the college records, what do you want to
I'd love to see his college records, just like
Whoa!
to see lots
Really? That?
his passport records. And by the way, I hope
back, but they've tried to wedge, but
somebody that loves this country.
To rob in Spanaway, Washington.
Spadawada? Wait,
I have
what?
so much character, that's all.
Now that's a lunchtime de-quandary.
Whether she has character or not.
People report all sorts of things. We've got...
Yes, no, we got some, we got a lot, we got a little. Everything.
This is great. She has such a...
In 3 days, the campaign is the funniest comedy of the year.
Did I say that again?
The funniest comedy of the year.
Fun. Secret. So
Fun how? It's funny how!
The campaign.
Is? Oh, that. Hey!
eyes.
with Cal
No!
taking one-a-day meds.
Go to stayinthegame.com to enter for a chance to meet me and watch the 2013 MLB All-Star Game.
Where I was screaming your, stay in the fucking game!
I don't think it would, and I'm not necessarily looking
Heartless as far as the work.
What?
Where create your own garden bar is free.
What about it?
Nothing says.
At every major military installation, you will have at least...
I'm going to have to think about this.
Okay.
This is the Shock Slayer. I've been looking forward to meet you. I feel like
Percy Jackson, yeah.
I brought my
What?
for love and care. You took about me. You know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Do you know who this is?
Have to be up pretty quickly.
Or where he is? Damn it!
Enjoy.
Chris.
Every week I usually run about 28 miles.
Thought wrong.
Whoa!
Cashback. Sign up for 5%
Fuck!
at the gas station.
Not enough of a reaction!
And this actually, towards the end of his time in Southern California, actually became and some of his peers in the movement, because it was preventing him from.
What was that? Oh! I know what you're doing!
I took this one.
No, that was totally the whoopee cushion.
My coffee is desolate.
Was he...
There ain't nothing to you.
They could have shown us the ropes.
I'll find out for myself.
Is a grand champion. Okay. Tell us exactly what your secret is.
Most kids
Really?
with exercise.
Write it down. You guys go there, you're flirting.
Running is challenging. Running is my favorite sport.
Running is my stress reliever.
My name is my stress relief?
Feeling great.
If you're in contact for a car accident, your recovery could begin today.
Discover lasting relief now. Call Spokane.
Nobody makes a move without.
All the time.
Get your head in the game.
Yeah!
It's Disney Channel Summer, and you're watching that far.
Without
Whoa!
okay. Without my okay. Okay?
Okay, thank you all for coming. Good.
I erase markers and paste.
Smuckers and paste, okay.
Every time when I say pop,
You say
So what could you tell me?
nothing.
pop.
Alright, next.
Okay. Now, there are lots of us.
Guys from the West Coast
Oh!
try to win the game.